Welcome to Tech Info. In this video we will review the top 10 inventions and innovations in 1980s that had a significant impact on humans by improving communication, increasing productivity, and making life more comfortable and enjoyable. So, let's get started. 1. Compact disc. CD. The compact disc, commonly known as CD, was developed collaboratively by Philips and Sony in the 1980s. It revolutionized audio storage by introducing a digital format that offered superior sound quality, durability, and compactness. CDs used laser technology to read and play back audio tracks, replacing traditional analog formats like vinyl records and cassette tapes. 2. Nintendo Entertainment System, NES. The NES, launched by Nintendo in 1985, played a pivotal role in revitalizing the video game industry after the market crash in 1983. It brought gaming into homes worldwide and introduced iconic games like Super Mario Bros., The Legend of Zelda, and Metroid. The NES's success laid the foundation for future gaming consoles and established Nintendo as a major player in the industry. 3. Apple Macintosh. In 1984, Apple released the Macintosh, a groundbreaking personal computer that revolutionized the computing experience. The Macintosh featured a graphical user interface, GUI, and a mouse, making it more user-friendly and accessible than other computers of the time. It introduced the concept of intuitive navigation through icons and windows, setting the stage for future innovations in computer interfaces. 4. MIDI, Musical Instrument Digital Interface. MIDI, developed in the early 1980s, enabled electronic musical instruments and computers to communicate and synchronize with each other. It standardized the language for musical data transmission, allowing musicians to control and sequence various devices and create complex compositions. MIDI revolutionized music production and composition, facilitating the integration of digital technology into the music industry. 5. Sony Handycam. The Sony Handycam, introduced in 1985, transformed the camcorder industry by making video recording portable and accessible to a broader audience. It featured a compact design, ease of use, and integrated recording and playback capabilities. The Handycam popularized the concept of capturing home videos, allowing people to document their lives and special moments with ease. 6. CD-ROM. CD-ROM, short for compact disc read-only memory, emerged in the mid-1980s as a storage medium for large amounts of data. It allowed for the distribution of software, multimedia content, and information in a compact and standardized format. CD-ROMs became widely used in personal computers, expanding the possibilities for interactive media and software distribution. 7. VGA. Video Graphics Array. IBM introduced the VGA standard in 1987, which revolutionized computer display technology. VGA offered higher resolution and improved color fidelity compared to previous graphics standards. It became the de facto standard for graphics display on personal computers, providing a more visually appealing and immersive computing experience. 8. Hewlett-Packard LaserJet Printer. Released in 1984, the HP LaserJet was one of the first laser printers intended for personal use. It revolutionized printing by offering high-quality output at a more affordable price than previous laser printers. The LaserJet's rapid printing speed, sharp text, and superior print quality made it a popular choice for businesses and home users, driving the adoption of laser printing technology. 9. Digital Audio Workstation. DAW. In the 1980s, digital audio workstations emerged, revolutionizing music production and recording processes. These workstations provided advanced features like sampling, sequencing, and multi-track recording, transforming the way music was created and produced. 10. Walkman. The Walkman, introduced by Sony in 1979 and popularized in the 1980s, was a portable cassette player that became a cultural icon. It allowed individuals to listen to their favorite music on the go. The Walkman featured a compact design, lightweight construction, and high-quality audio output, making it a must-have gadget for music enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. We hope you have liked our video. For more interesting videos, subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for updates.